In this video, I will be presenting with you the different best practices that we have been doing at Silliman University in terms of organizing digital resources in a virtual classroom. I hope at the end of this topic, you can assess what is the best strategy, what is the best way to improve our organization in our digital teaching resources. Tip 1. Ask yourself where to start. We have to be reminded, according to this study, that a learning management system influences the design and pedagogy of online courses. The study shows that the design process plays a major role in how effective and successful your course will be. And a well-designed course is more likely to engage learners and positive affect their performance. Tip 2. Follow this process. Plan, design, build, deliver, and review. You have to plan the digital learning resources. You have to think and you even have to design the structure of your digital resources. You have to design. Is it forum first or before lecture notes after? You build. You try to build and upload the digital resources. Test if necessary. Deliver. When you deliver, you have to make sure and pay particular attention on the different comments and suggestions among the students. Inquiries such as, "Sir, where can I find the lecture material?" that will give you a hint that your organization of the digital resources is in question. Maybe students have difficulty in locating your resources. From delivery, you have to go to the review process. The review process, this is where you have to revisit on your design. You have to think and check the progress of the students and be able to check the logs in your learning management system, which among the resources are downloaded or not even touched by the student. From the review, go back in planning, design, building, deliver, and review the digital resources. Third, we have to build a quality course, specifically on the navigation. Is your online course easy for learners to navigate? Are all the modules in your course laid out in their correct sequence? Is it uniform in the sequence? Check that all hyperlinks can be seen clearly and direct learners to the correct link. Have your included or have you included backward links so that learners can easily return to previous screen? This is about navigation, and this is about how the learners or how your students will visit, click, transfer from one section to another, go back again, log in, and log out. And that refers to navigation of your virtual classroom. Fourth, use simple and easy to use navigation, and this refers to intuitive. Students expect that our course is easy to navigate. Make sure to have a consistent look and feel. Provide a coherent experience, because study shows that if you have simple and easy to use digital learning resources, it reduces anxiety and it improves student experience.